Ever wondered who's the fastest team on the planet? Not in a single sprint, but in a race where speed and teamwork collide? We're talking about the relay, the ultimate test of a nation's athletic prowess. And the biggest question of all, who holds the world record? Relay races. Just the word conjures up images of batons flashing, muscles straining, and the roar of the crowd. It's a spectacle of raw power and precision, where every millisecond counts. But beneath the surface of those electrifying moments lies a history of incredible athletes, fierce rivalries, and record-breaking performances. And today, we're diving deep into that history to answer the burning question, who currently holds the relay world record? Now, before we crown the champions, let's clarify what we're talking about. There are several different types of relay races, each with its own set of records. We have the 4x100 meter and 4x400 meter relays, both for men and women, and even mixed relays. Each distance presents a unique challenge. The 4x100 meter is a blistering sprint, a blur of speed where every handoff has to be perfect. The 4x400 meter, on the other hand, is a test of endurance and strategy, requiring runners to manage their pace while maintaining explosive speed. So, who are the record holders? Let's start with the blue ribbon event, the men's 4x100 meter relay. This is the race everyone's eyes are glued to. The tension is palpable as the runners line up, the starting pistol fires, and they explode off the blocks. The baton changes are critical. A smooth exchange can win you the race, a fumble can cost you everything. Currently, the men's 4x100 meter world record is held by Jamaica. They set the blistering time of 36.84 seconds at the 2012 London Olympics. Think about that for a second. Less than 37 seconds to cover 400 meters. It's an absolutely mind-boggling display of athleticism. Usain Bolt, Johan Blake, Nesta Carter, and Michael Frater. These names are etched in history, the quartet that achieved the impossible. Their performance was a symphony of speed and teamwork, a testament to years of training and dedication. Now, let's turn our attention to the women's 4x100 meter relay. These athletes are just as incredible, possessing explosive power and lightning-fast speed. The current world record holder in this event is also Jamaica. They set the record at the 2012 London Olympics, the same games where the men's team set their record. The women's time was 40.82 seconds. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, Veronica Campbell-Brown, Elaine Thompson-Herah, and Sherwin Simpson. These women are legends in their own right. Their record is a testament to their incredible talent and their ability to work together as a team. Moving on to the 4x400 meter relays, things get a bit more complex. This race is a true test of grit and determination. It's not just about raw speed, it's about pacing, strategy, and mental fortitude. The men's 4x400 meter world record is held by the United States. They set the record back in 1993 at the World Championships in Stuttgart, Germany, with a time of 2 minutes 54.29 seconds. This is a record that has stood for decades, a testament to the incredible strength and endurance of the American team. The women's 4x400 meter world record is a bit more recent. It was set by the Soviet Union in 1988 at the Seoul Olympics with a time of 3 minutes 15.17 seconds. This record has also stood for a very long time. It's a reminder of the incredible athletic talent that existed during that era. But there's one more relay we need to talk about, the mixed 4x400 meter relay. This is a relatively new event, but it's quickly gaining popularity. It's a thrilling race where 2 men and 2 women team up to represent their country. The current world record in this event is held by the United States. They set the record at the 2019 World Athletics Championships in Doha, Qatar, with a time of 3 minutes 8.80 seconds. This is a relatively new record, and it's likely to be broken in the years to come as the event continues to grow in popularity. So, there you have it. The current world record holders in the various relay events. These athletes are the best of the best. They have dedicated their lives to the sport, pushing their bodies to the limit and achieving incredible feats of athleticism. Their records are a testament to their talent, hard work, and dedication. And they serve as an inspiration to us all. But remember, records are meant to be broken. And as we look to the future, we can only imagine the incredible performances that are yet to come. New generations of athletes are training hard, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And one day, we may see these records fall. That's the beauty of sport. It's a constant striving for improvement, a relentless pursuit of excellence. Who knows what the future holds? Maybe you, watching this video right now, will be part of a team that breaks a world record. Maybe you'll be the one handing off the baton, crossing the finish line, and etching your name in history. The possibilities are endless. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.